What's up all you guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break down this exercise, let's go ahead and review it for those of you who didn't see it on TikTok. Although hammer-ons and pull-offs are an important part of this exercise, for us, it's really all about the picking accuracy. We start with a hammer-on pull-off on the high E string from 9 to 12, back to 9. But then we jump to the D string on 11. So that sounds like this. Then we're hitting the same pattern, but the hammer-on and pull-off are on the B string from 9 to 12 to 9, and then we're jumping to the A string also on 11. And that sounds like this. And then we finish with a hammer-on pull-off from 9 to 11 to 9 on the G string. We jump to the low E string on 12, then 9, and then we finish with this strum on the top 3 strings, the G, the B, and the high E string. And that's the part that sounds like this. This is a really fun exercise, so try to mess with it for about 5 to 10 minutes and really try to nail the accuracy component of the exercise, and then move on to all the other fun stuff you want to do with the guitar, all the songs you want to learn, all the solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.